Hello everyone! Welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's see how to make this super easy, very tasty and flavorful rice. Let's make this beautiful yellowish lemon rice. You just need very few ingredients for this recipe, so let's get started. Into a pan, add some oil, add some mustard seeds. Once it gets splattered, add some Urad dal and some Channa dal. Just roast it for some time. Just be careful, don't burn it. Once the Urad dal slightly changes its color, add some red chilies and some curry leaves. Saute it for some time. Then add in turmeric powder. Once the turmeric powder is roasted well, add some cooked white rice. You can use any type of rice like basmati or normal cooking rice. Once the rice color changes to yellow, add some fried peanuts. Mix this well. Now here comes the main ingredient, the lemon juice. Here I've used just half lemon. Add some salt and mix it nicely. Now if you have cooked the rice with the salt, you don't have to add extra salt. So this is an amazing recipe you can make with leftover rice. And during lunch or dinner, just bake the normal rice into a lemon rice and serve it. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more amazing videos from our channel. Thank you.